Hopefully you have your own cootie catcher, just kind of like mine right here. So we've got a heart, we've got a triangle, we've got a circle, we've got a square. Now in order to play the game, it'd be cool if you had a partner, but if you don't, that's fine too. You just need to pick a circle, a triangle, a square, or a heart. And when you do, spell it out. Uh-oh, my lights went off. Come on, guys. That's okay. We don't need lights anyway. Except for we kind of do. Hang on. That's better. Okay, so we're going to say heart. So that's the one I'm going to pick. So I'm going to say H-E-A-R-T. And then inside there, you see we've got some numbers written. There's the 1, the 4, the 5, the 8. I'm going to pick 5, and I'm going to say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, well, look at there. Same spot. And this time, I'm going to pick number 8. So I'm going to look at here, and it says, we live on it. Continental is land. Oceanic is ocean. Okay, well, now I need to decide which layer of Earth is that. Which one of those words that we wrote in here matches up with that? Well, I'm going to say the crust. So to see if I'm right, I'll flip this up and read on the side that the one is written on. So it is the crust. Ta-da! I'm right. Okay, so now you guys, I'd like you to practice with this every day for at least 5 or 10 minutes, okay? And go through them words, and hopefully this is going to help you remember the different layers and have a little bit of fun. I think it's cute, adorable, and kind of a good time. I hope you like it. Let me know what you think. I would like you to take a picture of your cootie catchers and send them to me in an email so that I can give you all your credit for this assignment. I know it seems like it took a little while to build it, but I think it's worth it, man. This is a great game and a great way for y'all to remember some of your vocab words. So take a picture, send it to me in an email. Y'all are amazing. If you have any questions or need any help with your cootie catcher, go ahead and ask them in the questions channel or send them to me in an email. Y'all are amazing. We'll see you on Monday. Have a great weekend.